taken. Because जायते सुविधाय they do, जावं counseling, anti-alcoholism, anti-narcotism, जे seminar जावपाक जाय. हुंय ना हुंय म्हाका दिसता the government basically has failed to bring immediate measures to curb this rising trend. And that's because the police, although they have performed well in nabbing the culprits, but it's because if you look at the conviction rate, conviction rate of the apprehend is very low. Conviction rate, overall conviction rate of India is about 57%. And if you look at the Goa conviction rate, it is about, for 2022 with criminal cases was 25.7%. And in 2023, this further dropped to 19.8%. So, we now a conviction rate.
Overall, it comes to the 40%. Atachi just recent, specific
overall, India 57%.
Improve 40%.
No, we improve, but India's 57%. Because, sir, this is basically because of the failure to collect evidence. And जे witness asta, thanka because the department has failed with this department. That is why basically this crime detections, because I believe is ये conviction conviction we ना हो देवत ha. Because crime against women, every young girl today वाढत आहे कित्याक वाढता जायत तरेचे migrant non-Goans are involved in this sexual crimes against women. Jenna हे जाता we proposed for a calling attention move जाल्ले, you all proposed that a bill आटले म्हण. It's because a conviction of crime against women. Conviction आचे सांगते तुका. In Goa is 21%. And national average is 26%. Pendency of such cases because is almost 95.3%. Because crime against children, yeah, figures are there. Conviction rate of cases in Goa is 13.8%. And 19.8% for the national average. So the pendency of child-related cases is because is almost 96%. Because एक incident जो जालो आसा गांव या आसा गांव मुखार गांव आमचे आस्तले काय कितें has exposed the entire department. आमी त्या जाग्यार आमी गेल्ले सकाळी गेल्ले मागीर रातीको मुख्यमंत्री आयलो local MLA आहली. But it's because of what actually happened there. Because local MLA Delilah Lobo also was there. She was also trying to help around. But what turned, I think the people of Goa need to understand and need to know. If you look at the nexus between police, politicians, and criminal, this nexus, and it looks like several officers were involved with Delhi land investors and bankers. It's because the reality of how the police are lawbreakers instead of law enforcers, in particular case in Amka, we came to know, and this police criminality, it was exposed. It's because I take this opportunity to put it on record that a lot of central politicians, officers, yes, soglangeli inga goyan property high. Property high, it's because जायते proxy नावान पण आहे. जायते minister आली सगळ्यांनी. Because LAQ जोरीतोर आमी चोयल्यार आमका जबाब दिला की with this particular Asagaon incident that the inquiry is in progress and no role of any police officer has been established. If there was no role, जाल्यार तांकां suspend कित्याक केले? जे आहले ते तांकां suspend कित्याक केले? Because it is clear that म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय the state home ministry basically has failed. Ada ज्या पद्धतीन crimes against women are rising with convictions as minor exceptions. And if you look at the cyber crime आजे जेन्ना आमी उलयलेच because sir, आज our police force seems to be under prepared when it comes to cyber crime. आमचे कडेन एक high proactive cyber cell म्हाका दिसता that works with other agencies establish जावपाक जाय. फक्त ही complaint register जाताय. जेन्ना complaint register जाताय, registering of cyber complaint is no way to tackle the actual cyber crime. Apart from फक्त लोकांक advise करप आनीक डिटेक्शन एंड प्रिवेंशन हे म्हाका दिसता हूंय ना हूंय सायबर क्रायम हूंय ना हूंय वी हॅव बेसिकली फेल्ड. ड्रग्जाचे मागीर येता स्पिकर सर. आय हॅव सीन जे म्हाका दिसता आज द वे ड्रग मेनन्स ऑल्सो आयच्या दिसाकूय आनी एक रेड आय थिंक अबाउट चरस गांजा हे हिंग गोंय सारकें मेळत आसा वाडत आसा. स्पिकर सर आज एक म्हाका दिसता आफ्टर दीस आसागांव इन्सिडंट बाउन्सर आणि पुलीस there seems to be some connection. We saw it for the first time in the open in 2024. आणि हे म्हाका दिसता this could be just a tip of the iceberg. कित्याक आज आमकां दिसता outside police station people are agitating, demanding for filing of FIRs, demanding for arrest. हे गोंय पयलीं केन्ना जायना आसलें स्पिकर सर. स्पिकर सर 2024 पॉट डेव्हलपमेंट जाली with regards to the Home Department is absolutely shocking. And म्हाका दिसता these are indicators that the people are losing faith in the police. आता when we speak about crime against tourists, I think the Canadian government advises its female citizens to be careful while traveling to Goa. जे advisory म्हाका दिसता is still active only with pertaining to Goa and Delhi. Speaker sir, when due to high rates of violence against women, you need to check, speak to the External Affairs Ministry, speak to the double engine and get this clarified. Speaker sir, फक्त Delhi and Goa आणि हुंचे स्टेटी ना. Speaker sir, we know that Canada they have passed advisory हा तेंगेली की crime against tourists.
कोणा Canadian?
Delhi आणि हिंगा हा ते अजून भायर काढना तेमी. ते मातशें उलय ते मागीर हें कितें जाता तेचो
ताका सांगलें
तेका खबर आहा ती. स्पिकर सर जे 3 कायदे नये पास केले विथ द इंडियन पिनल कोड आनीक आय बिलीव दॅट they are passed. Now I'm pointing out about the changes in laws. म्हाका दिसता without mindset जरी तो लोकांनी if the department fails to make sure that the mindset, attitudes and the functioning of the police, म्हाका दिसता the police department functioning will be less effective. थोडेशे आमगेले आहाय that project themselves as saviors. It's because of basically gaps in orientation, training of police officers and personal department आजे हुई ना हुई चुकता. हे म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्रीन हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय. जेलीचेर हांव मागीर येता पूण crimes in jails, reports of drugs, jail administrations, all these things need to be looked into very, very seriously. And that's because जे road accidents जाता आणि with regards to road accidents last calendar year एक 5 दिसांनी 5 deaths in 1 week. And if you look at the figures because of this year from January to April 2024, 852 accidents have taken place, out of which 99 people have lost their lives, 130 people were grievously injured, and 276 got minor injuries. So because answer जेन्ना आमकां department दिता ते मुठाय कोण टुक्को राती घेताय, drink and driving, irresponsible driving, stray cattle, animals, if these are all the basic reasons given to us. But hui na hui maga distas because accidents are killing people like insects. And if you look at the way this is rising, Honorable Chief Minister needs to look at it. I believe the GCCI and GIM has also written to you to reduce these road accidents. The improvement of road infrastructure, law enforcement agency fail jata hai. I believe because this is something that is a very, very serious thing. आता सायबर क्रायमाचे जेन्ना आमी उलयतना मुखेलमंत्री बाब जो तुगेलो हेल्पलायन नंबर आहा 1930 सायबर क्रायम पोर्टल हावेवर त्या क्रायम्स जे पडे आहा त्या पोर्टलाचेर चलले ते उणे जायनाय. उणे कित्याक जायनाय स्पिकर सर? 300% रायज आहाय, 300% रायज इन सायबर क्रायम सिन्स 2020 एज पर दी NCRB स्टॅटिस्टिक्स पडे आहाय. अकॉर्डिंग टू देम स्पिकर सर 21 to 22, only 1 person has been convicted. There cyber crime pode ha. This is something that hobar ha. In Elton Bab na, konager mobile na kit gelle, takachko. Te magi azun teje zap na. खबर आहा तुका कसलो व्हिडिओ आनी कितें जालो तें ह्याच सभागृहांत जाल्लें त्या वेळार पूण तें मागीर अजून एक केस जरी तर तुम जाग्यार घायनाय जाल्यार म्हाका एक केस कन्विक्शन जालेली आहा बिकॉज तुवें कित यू हॅव सेड दॅट यू आर स्ट्रेंथनिंग युअर सायबर सेल सो वॉट आर यू गोइंग टू स्ट्रेंथन यू नीड टू इनकॉर्पोरेट वॉट टेक्नॉलॉजी what is better for so that these cyber criminals are nabbed? What is the technology that you will use? Because आता main homage under जो casino aha. आता yeah casino chase because this comes under the purview of the home department and I believe that this is basically a curse to Goa and basically people in Goa have suffered and are continuing to suffer. मुखेलमंत्री बाब हे मातशें आयक काबराल एक मिनट हे कसिनो पळय हा ही तुगेली संस्कृती न्हू म्हाकाय खबर आहा तुगेली इट्स नॉट योर कल्चर इट इज नॉट योर कल्चर सो आय एम जस्ट ट्रायंग टू टेल यू दिस इज अ व्हेरी सिरियस थिंग जे इट डजंट सूट गोवा वेदर यू आर गोइंग टू लूक इन टू इट टायम एंड ओवर अगेन हे म्हाका दिसता तुमी देवला सेंग दॅट ते होगोट रेवेन्यू जनरेट कोताय कोणान हाडले आनी मागीर आम कितें करपाचें तें बंद करा बंद करा स्पीकर सर कित्याक जे 349 crores जेन्ना रेवेन्यू you are supposed to receive आमी ती नाव गेली when will you receive about these land casinos have you written to them ते दीस तुवें गुगली गायली की कोण कोटा आहा मग तो अजून ऑन आहे ग्रँड हायर मंत्री सांगले आनी आमगे कुंकोळ बंद आहा ते मेशीन हे बंद आहा कितें ऑनलायन गॅमलिंग इतले भुरगे हाऊ मेनी यंग पीपल हॅव लॉस्ट देयर लायव्स बोटीचे जे जोटाले ते थिंग दिसा भितर मोडक्या भाशी थिंग मोडक्या नंबर तर सकाळी एक येता राती एक येता हिंग मिनट्यान एक नंबर आनी हूंय ना हूंय इतले लायफ लोकांगेले काबार जाता बट मान्य मुखेलमंत्रीक हांव मागोता The government of Tamil Nadu has come with some app that can trace. I gave you a suggestion last time. Please look into it, whether you can track them. Because these apps, because Don inga hai, Don je pade hai, je operator hu, ek lo amke Elton Babik na, je maga dista headquarters. Oh, Don inga ha te so. Don open close Don to. Open hui jata, close hui jata, jai te bashi. Te sagle khabar ha, पण action घे नाही. हेडक्वार्टर हुई इथिंग फातोड्डा हा म्हणून सांगताय सगळे जाण मग काय जायना स्पीकर तुका
डॉन तू हांगाच म्हणटा
गोंया हा गोंयांत
हांव म्हाका दिसता तू हांगा सभागृहांत
आता जे हे ऑफ शोर कसिनो आहाय हुंय ना हुंय म्हाका दिसता तुवें यू हॅव टू लूक एट दीस व्हेरी व्हेरी सिरियसली ऑफ शोर कसिनोचे जे डेफिनेशन आशिल्लें इनिशियली आय बिलीव जे तांकां रिलोकेट कोतले म्हणून when will you relocate them or every time you give them extension 6 months 12 months it is ek prata zalya I've said it tugeli sanskruti no it is not in your culture will you work on it or still more extensions will you give hejer mache ang jawab di mai to last jawab dina mache ek there is some one small this that is why I'm speaking first mache di ha mai tu ko jawab
पयली दिवपाचो
sir je aaj part the bad name as Goa has got with casinos. I believe that how are you going to change it? One fellow was saying he would change it in 100 days. I don't know what happened after that. ते साइडीन गेल्यार सगळे चेंज जाताय सो मातशें हें कितें ना कितें तुवें हेजेर एक कायदो काडपाक जाय बिकॉज सर होम डिपार्टमेंटाचें जेन्ना उलयतना टेम्पल्स चर्चीज एंड अदर रिलिजियस प्लेसीस इफ यू लुक 35 cases have been taken place with robberies and other religious places from 2022 till date. This is what your answer says. Safety जे बाउन्सराचे जे चलतात तुवें पयर रिप्लाय दिली की सेक्युरिटी एजन्सी रेग्युलेशन एक्ट 2005 दे कम अंडर दॅट बट हुंय ना हुंय म्हाका दिसता बिकॉज 9 complaints आर रजिस्टर्ड आनी एज हे तुमी जे बाउन्सराक घेवन भावताय युआर ओके बट जे दुसरे प्रायवेट बाउन्सराक घेवन भावता ते बंद जावपा जाय तें बंद करा तुमी मंत्री जरी तर सगळे बाउन्सराक घेवन भोवल्यार मागीर तें हें जावपा कित्याक म्हाका दिसता स्पीकर सर हुंय ना हुंय ही मॅसेज रॉंग वयता आता कमिंग बॅक टू द ब्लॅक स्पॉट्स आनी एक्सिडंट स्पॉट्स 33 accident prone zones 33 black spots from 2023 till year the surface transport minister you had asked for 100 crores and I think I don't know whether it has been sanctioned whether it has been approved yeah black spot ache if you look at the accidents I pointed out 900 sumar accidents in the last 4-5 months so many people have died apart from dying, there are so many injured. Speaker sir, हेजेर उपाय कितें? Development केला, but development जरी तर bad engineering and you don't have the foresight, हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता, you have to look into this, rectify it and give us an answer when you, because last 2 years we are asking about these black spots. Speaker sir, crime against women, je figures if you look from 2020 till date, it says 1,232 cases are registered. And 154 cases are registered in this year, from January to June. So this graph is also going high. I think you need to prepare an action plan to first control the crime against women and take steps for speedy trials. And कित्याक जाता ते म्हाका दिसता, it is increasing every year. So you need to look into this, Speaker sir. आता FIR mo तुवें जेन्ना budget speech तुवें announcement केलें, Speaker sir, I would like the Honorable Chief Minister to tell us कि this FIR, what has happened to this? Has it been started? What are the benefits that the common man could get through it? Is something that you need to tell us. Headquarter जे तूं बांदता मो सांगला खूंय सांग्यार फातोर्डा एशी बांदीत तूं आम सांगलो तुका थिंग शांदोर तें सात चलना मो हांवें तुका पयर सांगिल्लें कुंकोळ ती मातशी एक गाडी धाड मो तेंगे ती बोंड पडोत आहा आज सकाळ हांको पियान फोन मारला की आनी ते क्रिमिदोर आमी धांवत रावतले तुमगे ती गाडी जरी तर पावना जाल्यार स्पिकर सर हुंय ना हुंय म्हाका दिसता यू लूक एट दीस इट्स व्हेरी व्हेरी सिरियस थिंग पुलीस स्टेशनूय उदो पावता सो हुंय ना हुंय तुवें चोयचें बारीकशें चांदोरचे गांवांत जें आमचें एक चॅक पोस्ट आहा आउटपोस्ट तो आउटपोस्ट आनी इज आउटडेटेड थिंगान गेल्या सारको भूत बंगलो सो आय हॅव रिटर्न टू यू लास्ट इयर यू प्रॉमिस्ड मी यू वूड डू इट मातशें फातोर्डा बी हें जाता तें मातशें एशी मातशें इलें सायडी बी हांकां इलें कोण दी सगलें थिंगा कोनाका स्पिकर सर जें मडगांव फातोर्डा एकूच Speaker sir, with regards to the anti-human trafficking unit, ये जे निर्भया फंड आहा 13.5 लाख रुपयाचे प्रोविजन केला. I believe that this is the need of the hour, but with this anti-human trafficking cell, Speaker sir, what provision you can explain that what is the process that they do with this anti-human trafficking? If you can speak, get a reply and tell us how do they operate and whether it is a success, because there's only 13.5 lakhs of provision made. Speaker sir, under budget head 03 with regards to police of the coastal security, Anik forensic science and laboratory for the last 2 years, Speaker sir, under provision of this, Speaker sir, the Chief Minister should tell us why no provision has been made last year also, this year also. The coastal security and police area, whether some other grants is substituting, you just check and let us know. Because similarly, BA budget head 02 with regards to Indian Reserve Battalion, there are no funds have been provided. So why no funds have been provided? Whether you are supplementing it from somewhere else, please let us know. Speaker sir, I believe that with the outdated vehicles across the state, police vehicle equipment is outdated, SIT investigation I brought it to the notice of the Honorable Chief Minister. Transfers took place when investigation was going on. There was a lot of people also demanded properties. हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता मुखेलमंत्री हेजेर लक्ष घालपाक जाय and resolve this issue. आनी कोण हे सगळे हिंगा हितून हें जाता ते बिकॉज जेन्ना कालच्या दिसाक 6/8/2024 हांव आतां बसून आन्सर चोयतालो एज पर युअर रिप्लाय LAQ 1B फ्रॉम March 2022 to March 2024 स्पीकर सर आज जरी तर मर्डर चोयल्यार फ्रॉम 2020 till date 146 मर्डर जाले किडनॅपिंग फ्रॉम 2020 till date 391 cases rape from 2020 till date 555 cases molestation from 20 till date 498 cases. So Speaker sir, हुई ना हुई चोयल्यार ये फिगर वाडत आहा हें वाडटा कित्याक मुखेलमंत्री हेजेर आमकां दिसता लक्ष घालून आन्सर दिवपाक जाय. स्पीकर सर जेल्साचे उलयतना आज you have Honorable Chief Minister has said that he would provide solar panels on the rooftop to the extent of the central Kolwale jail by spending 1 crore. हें घायलां काय कितें तें solar panel घायलां. Speaker sir, today if you look जे Kolwale जे jail आहा, it has become, Speaker sir, what is happening beyond its wall is spoken about all across the country. Manya Mantri, Mukhyamantri, Telangana police have stated that one of the biggest countrywide drug racket operates from the central Kolwale jail. This is the statement of the Telangana police. Speaker sir,
ठीक आहे सर ते तेलंगणा पुलीस किती म्हणटलो आणि तो
ना, हांव सांगोत मरे
आम्ही
तुका.
ऑलरेडी जे आहा पळय न्ही तेजे स्पीकर सर ऑलरेडी ताका लेटरूय
ना, ना.
बरयला
Speaker
आणि
sir,
ताका जाला ऑलरेडी होम मिनिस्टराकूय लेटर बरयला
Hyderabad polisan आणि Telangana anti-narcotics bureau conducted a raid. A raid was conducted for a rave party in a 5-star Gachi Bauli. Tinga tenka raid conduct kota asतना हे सगळे इनपुट मेळा. आता स्पीकर सर you write चीफ मिनिस्टर बुरे मरतो.
बरयला आमी
माय रिप्लाय कितें दिला?
रिप्लाय दिवना तेंच्यानी अजून
आता तुमगे हा मग सपोर्ट करतो.
आता लायता म्हणून
हा मार मग तू फोन मार आणि चार माय म्हाका सांग सांजे चंद्रबाबू मार फोन ताका आनी सांग हे कित रिप्लाय हा मग स्पीकर सर कोलवाले जेल
पयलीं बरयल्ले ते
हा
पयलीं बरयल्ले ते म्हटला तेन्ना
आम्हा रिप्लाय येईल ना मातशें चॅक कर हें सिरियस तो म्हूण आख्खे कोलवाले जेल इज द बिगस्ट क्रायम एक्टिविटी हॅपनिंग स्पीकर सर ना बरयले ते जालें मागीर रिप्लाय मातशें सांग आमकां मातशें उलय तूं ते कडेन स्पीकर सर कोलवाले जेल जें सेल फोन इन द 100 लोकांक फोन मेळ्ळे आनी तें तुवें कोणा बरयतो तूं हें तुगेलें
सगळे सीज केले आमी
सीज केले ते जाल्यार आजून चलते थिंगा एक बायल घेवन वयता भितर आमकां रिपोर्ट मेळा की भितर घेवन वयता तो दवरता का स्पीकर सर लास्ट मंथ दीस अ व्हेरी सिरियस थिंग 14-year-old girl that was raped. Basically, rape survivor was traumatized again when she received a call from that fellow who raped. The 44-year-old person called her and threatened her. This is very serious because an jeli zori tor munis ye bhashen korpa laglas because I believe they are sent by the court to face their sentence. And te phone man jo jelintlan tori anko dhamki diwpa lagole. Salar hui na hui. I believe that this is a very serious thing. You have to make sure that this jail is not converted for criminal activities. Tinga dusre je हांव उलयना पयर दिसताले कोण व्हिडिओ शूट हें काण सारके शूटिंग काण बी ते टाक 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 कसार भोंवताले ते व्हिडिओ भायर येताले पयले आं थिंगसो हें ऑपरेट जाता जाल्यार मातशें तूं तेजेर हें लक्ष घाल रिप्लाय घे आनी हांगा हें सारकें सांग स्पीकर सर स्पीकिंग ऑन द फायर एंड एमर्जन्सी सर्विसीस आज when we asked, I believe that this department is ill-equipped. Together, 1,106 just sanctioned staff as per reply. 900 available staff and 260 vacant post hai. 86 firefighter vacancies hai. 58 operator vacancy hai. LAQ jenna आमी मागीले की फायर ब्रिगेड हुंच मॉडेल आहे का मग सगळे जे काँग्रेसीन हाडले बिचोले 2000 पोरवोरे 2008 म्हापसा 2006 व्हेकल पिलेन 2008
उपरांत सगळे तशें जाल्ल्या काँग्रेसीन खंयचे हाडल्या 10-15 वर्सां जाली
हाय म्हाका लेटेस्ट मॉडेल लेटेस्ट ती दिल ती ही आहा रे ही भायर मारो जाता स्पीकर सर सारकीच हे आनी एक प्रश्न जे ड्रायव्हर आहे विथ द पुलीस डिपार्टमेंट आय थिंक तेंगे प्रमोशन बिकॉज ऑफ सम नोट हेज बीन लेफ्ट तुवें जरी तो तरी लक्ष घाल्ल्यार म्हाका दिसता सेवरल ऑफ दॅट हेजेर तुवें मातशें why should they suffer? तू खबर आहा तो इशू about the driver's promotion. मातशें बरोय तूं मातशें हांगा ते आन्सर दी दितलो मात तूं मागीर तूं ना ते पेज झाप कोण मागीर कांय दिना आज लास्ट दीस बिकॉज सर जे विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटाचे जेन्ना उलयतना बेजिकली दी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर यूज वर्ड्स एंड न्यूट्रल लोकां आपूण म्हणजे थिंग विजिलन्स डिपार्टमेंटाक घातो मो इन योर बजेट स्पीच आय रेड इट सो पयलीं आहले ते कित कोताले सो मेनी केसीस आर पेंडींग and it's right that he put so poil itli or santa ki case pending alyo why were they pending so neutral munis ye kon in the department you please tell us department anto tu gaile tuge jor tu chukon party che muncha bi thing bitor gaile sala that then department an solpana kidak because je man power training ani je equipment tank diwpa jay te equipment hoina hoi tanka te paw nai 2019 till dates because of so many training camps jalna seminars jalna conferences जाल्ले what is the vigilance department doing speaker sir एक रिप्लाय मुकोडे हा की हांवें गॅजेट्स कितें काय काम विचारलें म्हाका हें मेळ्ळा की तेंकोडे एक सोनी कॅसट रिकॉर्डर आहा कॅसट रिकॉर्डर आनी खुंयच तेंपाचो कॅसट रिकॉर्डर कॅमेरा सोनी सायबर शॉट सोनी हेडफोन आनी इयरफोन हे इक्विपमेंट हा म्हणून आन्सर दिला. And Speaker sir, I don't know how the vigilance department has to, you have to empower the Goa Lokayukta also. Speaker sir, होमगार्ड आणि सिव्हिल डिफेन्साचे जेन्ना आमी उलयतना जे रेग्युलरायज तांकां करपाक जाय मोर दॅन 15 years हो इश्यू इज समथींग दॅट इज अक्रॉस सगळे कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीचे ते आहाय.
स्पीकर सर ताका खबरूच ना पयले फावटी होमगार्डांक जर रेग्युलरायज करून पुलीस केले आसत जाल्यार ते गोंय
आनी उलय
खंयच्याच स्टेटीक जायना. अरे बाबा, आजपर्यंत-
उलय तेंक कोर मुटा
अरे उरले तांकांय करता खंयच्याच स्टेटीक
मागीर उलय तेंक मुळें
ताका 10 वर्सां सर्वीस कंप्लीट जाल्या उपरांत
आनी
होमगार्ड
उलय कितले उलय
स्पीकर सर ताका सांग हेच्या पयलीं केन्नाच जावंक नाशिल्लें
जावंक
आतां
नाशिल्लें
जावपाक
आतां
लागल्या.
अजून जाय मातशें आतां कोर तूं
मागीर?
उलय तेंगे कोर. स्पीकर सर आतां येता सारकें PWDचे येतना स्पीकर सर ना हिंगा वन्स अपॉन अ टायम सिनियर मेंबर सुदीन बाब आको सदां आसतालो. हांवें जायत पुसा चोयलें हुंयच्यान वच PWD म्हणटा ते कोडे मागीर ते आत अंकलाक आहलें हांवें ना म्हणला बट तेको चड तेको आहलो स्पीकर सर हे जे तूं कोर आतां हय स्पीकर सर जे इट वेंट फायनली टू अदर मिनिस्टर्स ते काळो जो बोवाड मारता म्हाका तरी दिसोता ते मेटमू पोत्तें तो बोवाड पड मारता तेजे कोटा की बरें पावल मू तेगेलें बोगलें तेच खात मेट जाल्यार म्हाका खबर ना बट स्पीकर सर एनीवेज इट इज गॉन टू द चीफ मिनिस्टर. Your provision of 2975 crores is you've given a hike of 10.75% over the revised estimates of last year. Because you have mentioned about a pothole जे हड्डे पड रस्त्यार भोंवताय हड्डे दिसती पडपा नाय म्हणून उतर दिल्लें आज इट इज अ वेरी सिरियस थिंग एंड इवन द चीफ मिनिस्टर नोज इट दॅट हे हड्डे आज सगळे वाडले इतले हड्डपड वाडले गोंयभर हूंय ना हूंय you said that you would fast track it. App is there. But that app, for instance, is not enough with the about. So it looks at substandard work carried out by the contractor. Aaj, because sir, hui na hui choilyar, this is something that is very, very important. PWD, with regards to your new water treatment plant, you have proposed 25 MLD in Ganje, in Thuye 30 MLD, 10 MLD in Pale. Ye sogle zori tor choilyar maga disa tu ye you have to start the work. There is no doubt about it because आज फिगर जोरी तो चोयल्यार स्पीकर सर 38% non-revenue water पड जाता is because of leakages of the supply chain. आनीक मुखेलमंत्रीन आमकां in the budget you have said that you are going to make smart water utility state. हर घर जल मू सांगलोलें आनी ते हर घर जलाचे आनी मातशें रावन येता पूण हे स्मार्ट वॉटर युटिलिटी वॉट इज द पर्पज बिकॉज non-revenue you said your focus will be on non-revenue and water reduction programache. So you please explain to us, including advanced metering and replace of the old pipe haite. Because I believe that we are running out of time. Anik ye water pipeline je burst hai, this is a major issue. 10 to 50% of the pipes have been replaced. Everyone wants it to be replaced all across. So what is the plan? Kidak udka timer तो म्हणून लावलो 24 वर उदो दिता काब्रालान आन्सर साथ दिल्लो 4 वर तरी पावतलो सकाळ संकल्प म्हणटालो केन्ना केन्ना 2 वर येत आनी कितली वर येतली ते तुवें हांग दिचें उतर आज सद्या तो एकलो म्हणटालो 24/7 एकलो 24/4 एकलो म्हणटालो 2 वरां कितली ते तुवें दिचें तें म्हाका तुवें सांगचें बिकॉज आमचो जो मेन अलायनमेंट आहा हिंगान टाक्को नाका म्हाजे लाडू दिनाका कुंकोळेचो बायपास बोमा जाल तेज्या परस जातलें सारकें हें अप्रूव जाल्लें हिंग गेल्लें आय रेज्ड इट विथ यू विथ रिगार्डिंग टू दॅट बायपास थिंग दॅट हॅज टू बी बिल्ट ऑन द स्टिल्ट्स नाल्यार दुसरें बोमा जातलें आनी थिंग आख्खें कोलॅप्स जातलें हें तूं अप्रूव करून हाड मातशें बिकॉज फायनान्शियल टेक्निकली इट वॉज अप्रूव्ड अपवर्ड रूट हा फ्रॉम दांड्यावाडो टू पांजोरकोणी हें तुवें अप्रूव केल्लें काब्रालानूय जेन्ना अप्रूव केल्लें हें आनी ते पयर पांडे बारा तो आहलो तो एक मिटींग गेल्ली स्पीकर सर I request the Honorable Chief Minister, please look at this very, very seriously because displacing the people there is something that we will not tolerate. The people of Kunkolim will not tolerate. Speaker sir, I believe you take the credit of national highways, Zuari Bridge, Atal Setu, all is good. I'm not saying you've not done development, but if you look, lot of leakages, a lot of they say complaint of substandard. तो एकलो पड आहा नातू ओ जावंय तो हांवें नांव गेलें तें गेलें ताका मातशें आपय ते कडेन मातशें ताका ब्लॅकलिस्ट कर IIT ते येतले आनी तें म्हाका खबर ना तें हें मुखार जावपाचें जावपा न्हू तें मातशें जे हे स्पीकर सर आमचे मेन प्रश्न पळय हाय सब स्टँडर्ड वर्क इज हॅपनिंग एंड यू नीड टू सेट देम बाय एन एग्जाम्पल टर्मिनेट देम blacklist them. I hope you take this because very, very seriously. कित्याक थोडोसो जरी तो drizzle also, with a drizzle also, आज हुई ना रस्ते सारके they get washed away. In my constituency, personally, तुवें उतर दिलें, थिंग ते आमी इंजिनियरा फोन मारले ते येयले पूण ते म्हणटा आनी कांय करूं जायना मग एक दीस जालें कालचे राती हांको पावस पडले हांको बुडोलें हें हुई ना हुई स्पीकर सर whether the PWD has to be named as the Poor Works Department, I don't know. Speaker sir, with regards to unscientific road and engineering, particularly at the bypass at Davli Ponda, a lot of deaths have also taken place from directly to Farmagudi by passing through Ponda or stretch Padha. What is your plan towards this particular stretch? Utka accumulation sogla jata. This is because of poor design, poor engineering, poor quality works. This is one of the prime reasons, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, आता हांव कला अकॅडमीचे येता कला अकॅडमीचे जेन्ना उलयतना स्पीकर सर आमी सांगलोलें की एक ज्युडिशियल इन्क्वायरी जावपाक जाय म्हणून बिकॉज PWD हॅज एक्झिक्युटेड दीज वर्क्स दीस हॅज कॉस्टेड क्रोज ऑफ रुपीज विदाउट टेकिंग इन टू कॉन्फिडन्स दी आर्टिस्टा जेन्ना गेले स्पीकर सर जें लिकेज जाला इन द दिनानाथ मंगेशकर ऑडिटोरियम एंड द ब्लॅक बॉक्स आय हॅव पर्सनली ऑल्सो सीन इट सीपेज इज दे टू द वॉल्स वॉलांतल्यान उदो येता लायनींतल्यान इलेक्ट्रिसिटी थिंगा स्पीकर सर एवरीथींग इज वेट AC युनीट पड आहा तो शिफ्ट जावपाक जाय आशिल्लो तो थिंग वयर गायला लायट सावंड अकुस्टीक हेका जे म्हाका दिसता टेक्निकली चोयल्यार दे आर ऑल आउटडेटेड दे आर फावंड स्पीकर सर सब स्टँडर्ड आय एम सरप्रायज हाऊ स्पीकर सर द PWD एक्झिक्युटेड दीज वर्क्स रिलेटेड टू दीस जेन्ना टेक्निकल मनीस आसतना बिकॉज आय माय सेल्फ the equipment is old, sound is not, so somehow e-meeting kalakara bara tu kenna getlo held accountable whether PWD did it because PWD has supplied these particular things. Accountability has to be taken place. Nala kitko jatle leakage जायना म्हणून हांव पर्सनली हांव तें ऑल हेंको ना स्पीकर सर बट आयव सीन आम थिंग सोकला हें गेले ते दोना another room below the black box all water was coming in the electricity wires also. This is risky. Speaker sir, speaking about water आणि sanitation, म्हाका दिसता की it is not only in Panjim, it is all across सांग्यार, सालिगांव, पेडणे, बिचोले, बार्देस सगळे कडेन म्हाका दिसता हुंय ना हुंय वॉटर स्कॅसिटीचो प्रॉब्लम आहा जें बजेट 22-23 तुवें म्हाका दिसता यू हॅव ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर मेड अ प्रोविजन ऑफ 696 crores. However, what you spent was only 382 crores. Speaker sir, 50% only you spent. So under allocation कित्याक जालें? It was supposed to be, it had to be executed. Speaker sir, हुई ना हुई म्हाका दिसता that आज रस्त्याचेर जे हड्डे हाय you show us the roads that where there are no potholes. It is absolutely there. PWD has done poor works. जे constructed court premises. आता ते court premise जे बांदिले 120 crore. और तेज जे वयले हें आहलें छत जे आहलें जे the top roof it got blown away without inaugurating only. So speaker sir, हुई ना हुई जे आमकां सकाळीं कालच्या दिसाक आमी उलयले about several buildings. These buildings speaker sir जे were basically 167 unsafe आहले गेले ते वर्साक आतां 381 जालीं. Why did 214 in 1 year increase? हुई ना हुई तुवें सांगलेला you've made 600 crores of provision. But please make sure that this happens. The PWD department should, Speaker sir, should not become like postal works department. कित्याक हिंगा engineer and staff जे तुगे हाय they are looking like postal employees. हांव कित्याक सांगता Speaker sir, तूं सायन मान दिता कोणागेली आडयना पण तेज मुखार कितें जाता तें कांय कोणा हे लाडू जाल्यार खबर ना टायम कितू 2-3 वर्सां रावपाची स्पीकर सर हे कन्सल्टंट जे पड अपॉइंट केलाय PWD कन्सल्टंट जे अपॉइंट केलाय PWD ना हांव मुगे ते लिस्ट दित तुका कितले सायन मारले ते फायल प्रोसेसूच जायनाय MLA लेडाची हांव उलयना MLA लेडा आतां फंड कॅरी फॉरवर्ड जाता गेले एवरी इयर कॅरी फॉवर्ड चालमा तुका
MLA लेडीज फाटला
हय स्पीकर सर आतां हे कन्सल्टंट जे पळय अपॉयंट केलाय दे डू शो लेस थिंग टू द PWD डिपार्टमेंट एंड मोर लॉयल्टी टू द कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर्स आनीक म्हाका दिसता स्मार्ट सिटी जाल ते भाशेन जरी तर हें मुखार जालें जाल्यार आमकां सगल्यांक त्रास जातले स्पीकर सर आज आयच्या दिसाक आय वॉज ट्रायंग टू गेट टू युअर अटेंशन टुडे देर वॉज अनदर व्हिडिओ that surfaced outside GMC and the blockage, traffic congestion, if some heart patients have to be taken in, they're all sark choco block. Next day you send some people there to the PWD, they try to clean, but that is not the solution because when GMC is there, whatever needs to be done, patient taken into the sent to GMC itself is a serious thing. An ambulance passage जरी तर block जाता, हुई ना हुई तुवें तेजेर एक कितें ना कितें उपाय काडपाक जाय. Speaker sir, जेन्ना आमी एक हांव तुका दाखोवन दिता डिफेक्ट्स DLP मो आसता DLP that is defects liability period आनी आमी प्रश्न विचारले नाव द सेकंड टायम I had asked last time in January this defect liability period speaker sir is for works awarded and repairs जरी तो रस्त गेले जाल्यार the contractor has to repair this at their own cost आनी I had asked for details of the quality control check conducted by JE to Principal Chief Engineer of MSRITES. This is a central government agency of various road works from 2019 till date. हांवें विचारलें की बाबा हें कितें काम कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरा बी जबाबदार दोल कामू ते इतू बिजी आहाय जानेवारी सो आन्सरू दिनाय म्हाका स्पीकर सर जानेवारी सो आन्सरू दिनाय म्हाका स्पीकर सर आय वॉन्ट टू ब्रिंग इट टू युअर नोटीस जानेवारी आमी हाडलें आदे सो सारके इतले स्किलफूल एकूय आन्सर दिना हाऊ मेनी have you done because I have an RTI you tell me your answer then after I will tell you what is my answer to the RTI because म्हाका दिसता this is a very serious thing which you can catch these contractors accountable to do if substandard work zala all the MLAs will agree that throughout the constituency it is happening 2-3 or 2-3 वर्सां हुंयच रोस्त सारको उरता चुकोन उरता स्पीकर सर हुंय ना हुंय हेजेर you have to act as per that act स्पीकर सर जे नॅशनल हायवे बांदले त्या नॅशनल हायवे भायर टॉयलेट वॉशरूम ड्रिंकिंग वॉटर इज देर एनी प्रोविजन ऑर एनी फॅसिलिटी दॅट दी ऑनरेबल चीफ मिनिस्टर इज प्लॅनिंग टू डू जे काब्राल बाब जे लास्ट 6 months ago जेन्ना ही वॉज PWD मिनिस्टर at that time he said that there was a provision and so honorable chief minister आमकां सांगचें whether this proposal has been moved आनीक स्पेशली आतां वेर्ना जंक्शनाचें जें कंजेशन जाता तूं मूठ 40 मिनटान पावताय मग थिंग 10-20 मिनटां थिंग उरताय आमी तूं मूठ ब्रिज केल्याय मग हिंगसो हिंग पावपा थिंगाय मातशें कितें कोर
थिंगाय करता
हय स्पीकर सर जें म्हाका दिसता आमी बाणालेचें जो बाब वेन्झी सांगतालो फॉर बायपास टू बी बिल्ट ऑन स्टिल्स लास्ट टायम 6 months back he raised this issue through calling attention today at that time you said because NGT High Court Anikon not required today you see the state there because the recent rain fury has presented the truth and reality soglen thing are blocks because the entire area has got flooded so whether you will look into this type of things Boma is a prashna what is your thing are you with the same formula and Boma kelte mashe kunkod mash ko naka speaker sir speaking on water supply आज 131 crores you have spent kabar goda speaker sir 131 crores you have spent on contractors consultants and you said har ghar jal because the reality is Panjim Mapsa Vasco they are facing acute water problem speaker sir I'll give you this fact honorable chief minister I had WRDA question gatlolo ki regarding dynamic groundwater resources आणि हे जेन्ना हो रिपोर्ट येयलो माननीय चीफ मिनिस्टर हे मातशें आयक 62% of the groundwater as per WRD is extracted for domestic purpose 62% of the water that they extract 33% is for irrigation and 5% is for industries so a lot of people are depending on this har ghar jal हे म्हाका दिसता तुवें if you counter check your figures get exposed because when will this government be able to give 24/7 सुदीन बाब येलो तो 24/7 तेगे स्वप्न आशिल्लें 24/7 उदो दिवपाक ते मागीर काब्रालान 4 or केलें तूं कितें और कोतो तें हांगा मातशें सांग स्पीकर सर जे बिल्डिंगाचे हांव उलयना, वी हॅव टोल्ड यू अबाउट द सिग्निफिकंट लास्ट स्पीकिंग ऑन फायनान्स. And that's because of few things I would like to point out to the Honorable Chief Minister. The public debt of the state of the government is something that we are being debating. It's something I jenna number हाडले त्या वेळार ना नंबराचे उलयना आनी हेच ना तेच ना केला. But this is a very serious thing. I am strictly speaking on what I have seen in the CAG report. Today you will place the CAG report. If I find something in that, I will again point it out to you. Speaker sir, our Chief Minister takes satisfaction that the public borrowing is within the FRBM Act. You say you can borrow even more. I feel this is a rogue. हें एक दुयेंस आनी तूं एक दोतोर तुवें तें दुयेंस मारपा तूं इंजेक्शन मारतालो टॅबलेट कितें दितलो दुसरी टॅबलेट न्हू सारकी तें मार रोग काबार करून उडय आनी घेवपा वचनाकात म्हणाक आपूण आनी लोन बीन गेलना मो हूंय ना हूंय स्पिकर आनीकूय आहा दोतोर तें सारकें तेजें ऑपरेशन कर सार मार तेका फार आनी घेवपा वचनाका स्पिकर सर हें this is basically we are borrowing, we are, your attitude seems to be we borrow, we spend. This is what you are saying, you are within the limit. But ये वाढवता हाँ, ये वाढपा जोरी तो तू सांगले ना, उनके उन केला जाईल, I will give you credits because I don't know, this is the problem that you are creating for and leaving for your successor also. Maybe you never know who is your successor, whether you will be there, who will be there. But ये जे वाढवता हा आज रीण बारीकसो जरी चोयला because it's rocket high. 31st March 2024, the figure was 27,352. Anik till 30th June 2024, it has increased to 27,489. In this few months, March to June, this has translated to 137 crores. Speaker sir, if you look at the finance minister's statement, what you estimated, कि तुवें estimate केल्लो 26,605 crores, but the actual thing as of June 30th is 27,489. So you have crossed by almost 900 crores. 8 months are still left to go on your figures what you have given. Means what you predicted and what has come because तुगे ते मायनिंगा काय येल्ला भितर आनी हे सगळें हें जालां किचडी. Speaker sir, 2,000 crore you are paying towards interest. The statement that we are on a basically you are saying that we are सारके सुसेगाद आहाय उदो हिंग पावला सारके हिंगा पूण तूं सुसेगाद आहा पूण हूंय ना हूंय हें उदो दिवं हें मातशें उदो दिवं कितें हांव सांगत आसा because we are like a sinking ship, otherwise this is going to be a complete mess. Two things because I want to got another clarification that the government of, you have said that the government of India has released 1,661 crores for centrally sponsored schemes. Ata, what I saw is there is expenditure only of 757 crores. So central scheme is for 1,000 social, you have only 757. Because this is around 50% of the utilization of the amount released on the central schemes. Where is the balance gone? Is something that the Honorable Chief Minister needs to clarify. Speaker sir, e-governance करपाक तुवें सांगिल्लें ते एक्सिस बँकां तुवें भायर मारलें तें बरें केलें म्हणजे तांकां ऑप्शन दिलां पूण सगळ्या युनिफॉर्म हितून हाडलां. You said that various banks are done for e-governance, delivering public services. आणि majority जे bank आहे, Speaker sir, you said that this would be dispersed through timely measures. I believe this is not true. If you look at the way pensions, now DSS, senior citizen, disabled person, widows to be made for pending high. So what are we trying to say? 2 महिने 3 महिने आज जरी तर असेंब्ली जाल म्हटरी डिमांड आहोन ते पयस डिस्पर्स जाताय मागीर त्याच नंतर 2-3 म्हयने उरताय. सो गिव देम सम क्लॅरिटी स्पिकर सर कित्याक इफ यू लूक तुगे मतदारसंघान पावस जाता आसतले तांकां 2,000 रुपया मेळटाय त्यो बायल जाणटे बायल पड आमगे आहाय बँका वयता तांकां 400 रुपया देस्पेस लागता वचपाक बाबा येल रे पयशे कामो तांकां मॅनेजराक वयन जाताय ते पयशे येयले जाल्यार पोत गरोयताय आनी एक 15 दिसान हांको येता आनी एक 400 रुपया.
स्पिकर सर तांकां पयशे येयले काय मेसेज वयता मोबायलाचेर मागीरूच ती पयशे काडपाक वता वो कितेंय सांगता स्पिकर सर आमी जर रीण काडटा सर जाल्यार रीण एक मिनीट स्पिकर सर रीण आमी इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर क्रिएट करपाक काडटा आनी ताका कळपा खातीर सांगता FRBM लिमीट न्ही फाटल्या 3 महिन्याक मार्च पासून आता पर्यंत एकूय पयसो रीण काडूना वयल्यान फायनान्शियल मॅनेजमेंट
हांव तुवें रीण काडना म्हणा आनी उणकोर उण
अरे
कर
उणोच केला हांवें.
ना हे तू पण
उणें
सांगता
केला.
आपणाच्यान इतले करूं जात मू आतां तें चेंज केलें तुवें
उणें केला वयल्यान म्हणून सांगता फाटल्या वर्साक 4,000 कोटी घेवपाक आशिल्ले
ते आन घेनाका.
2,700 crores
ना
only.
ना हांव कितें म्हणटा हांवें जायत दुसरें जालें तुका तें बरें केलें तुवें गूड दॅट इट इज अ स्टार्ट बट आय वील गिव कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट यू वेन यू मेक शुअर दॅट द फिगर्स आर डावन फिगर्स आर स्वेलिंग आज इट इज 35,000 or 37,000 crores प्रत्येक गोंयकाराचे ऑलमोस्ट 2.5 लाखाचे रीण आहा दिस इज नॉट फिगर्स दॅट आय एम सेंग दिस इज द फिगर्स दॅट यू गिव अस स्पीकर सर हे जे लाडली लक्ष्मी स्कीम आहाय आनी ह्यो सगल्यो जे आमी उलयले हिंगा I request, and Honorable Chief Minister, please make sure that whatever we have spoken, I said it last time as well, you all take a note, all the opposition MLAs, ruling MLAs, there has to be a system. I think before the Chief Secretary is to write down, it is to go through a system. I don't know whether that system has been paralyzed. Please make sure that you do that. Speaker sir, एक last हाजेर आमी उलयतना की CAG
नाटक आसा
हां
गिलोटी नाटक
म्हाका हांव कोत मरे काबार तेला पयलो उलयलां स्पीकर 2 मिनटान काबार कोता स्पीकर सर 31st March 2020 it stated that the off budget physical operation amounting to rupees 919 crores as per CAG this resulted in an understating of overall debt by 1.14% of the GSDP हे हुई ना हुई मुखेलमंत्री नाक सांगपाक जाय स्पीकर सर if you look basically जे फायनान्स डिपार्टमेंट आनी मॅनेजमेंट आहा हे काँग्रेस सरकारान 2009 बसयल्ले आयक हांव सांगत स्पीकर सर बाय कन्वर्टींग द फायनान्स कमिशन इंटू कमिशन सेल आतां थिंगा स्पीकर सर इश्यूज रिलेटींग टू RBI मॅटर्स ओपन मार्केट बॉरोईंग सेंट्रल फायनान्स कमिशन सिंकींग फंड गॅरंटीड रिडेम्पशन फंड FRBM ते खबर आहा वचो येयलो दिगंबर बाबा हें खबर आहा तेच टायमार जालो हें PSUs, house building, motor car advance, NABARD loan. Speaker sir, whether these system exists now, who's monitoring? Whether this exists now, and my Congress and kind kelna monaka. Whether they are tukli gona.
Government is a continuous process.
Temporary. So Speaker sir, now maga dista hui na hui austerity measures am getle. O फक्त to promote the government post facto under आणि कितले event जातले. If you stop a event जे तुम्ही म्हाका आन्सर दिले ते भाशी आपण रीण काडना मू हे दुयेंस आपण मारूं सोदिता तेज पद्दतीन हे इव्हेंटूय मातशे तुवें जरी तर उण केले तुवें समज तुगे फिगर देंवले जाल्यार आय विल कॉंग्रॅच्युलेट थँक्यू स्पीकर
Carlos Ferrer.
Honorable Speaker, I rise to support my cut motions and oppose the demands. First, before I say anything, I wish to thank our Director General of Police, Mr. Alok Kumar, because when I came into this assembly, I noticed that the police outside at the gate especially were not getting even snacks or any tea or even water. So I immediately gave him a call and made him a letter, and he made sure that all of them were being given these snacks, water and tea, whatever was required, including food. First, I will speak on demand number 5, which is prosecution. Honorable Speaker, I have seen that there are a lot of cases which are ending in failures of conviction. It's not the rate of conviction which depends on the strength or weakness of a public prosecutor. A public prosecutor is just an advocate who puts forward the case which is given by the prosecution. And invariably, we find that there are cases of late where they don't even take the opinion of the public prosecutor, just file the charge sheets. If this happens, it's a dangerous trend because if there are any deficiencies, any defects which can be overcome, I think they don't get overcome. Now what is happening is, there is a system by which everyone wants answers. Sometimes even my colleagues want answers. How many cases won, how many cases lost? But that is not the mark of a public prosecutor. Let me be honest with it. Because if you don't have proper ingredients, you can't make a proper soup or any proper food. So these public prosecutors are sometimes faced with handicaps of done like a fait accompli, which they cannot actually perform nor do anything, they cannot improve. Public prosecutors are not just employed by the state to represent the state, but they owe a higher duty or responsibility because they have to bring the truth before the court. And they can't manipulate facts, they can't manipulate witnesses, nor statements which are already recorded. So they have to do their duty. When I was a public prosecutor, I had good officers who did good investigations. Though I was at the High Court level, my rate of success was 95%, but it was because all the work done by them. but that's what I repeat to you. Article 21 of the Constitution speaks of right to life. Right to life is not just of a victim, but also the right to life of an accused. Because if you try to put an accused into a wrong bracket or try to fast track to make sure he's in, then you're doing injustice. So I believe that this should be attended, and public prosecutors should be not simply blamed for it, but I think the prosecution department should work out to analyze why these kind of failures are taking place. Honorable Speaker, in the new BNSS Act, which is the new Criminal Procedure Code, there is a new provision for prosecution. And that new provision makes Section 20 makes this provision. There shall be a district directorate of prosecution. A director of prosecution is on the top, and then a district directorate of prosecution in every district, consisting of as many deputy directors and assistant director of prosecution. If you have this spread out, and I think if you have it at the district level with a director of prosecution on the top, I think you can monitor, you can investigate, and not allow the public prosecutor to step in only when the charge sheet is filed. Pre-investigation also, I think public prosecutors have an important role. Sometimes we find that investigating agencies say that we correct the case. They catch somebody and put him inside. And, Honorable Speaker, you know that sometimes we ourselves appear there, get those people discharged from the court. Sometimes we file petition by saying he's innocent and he's not involved. We get it quashed, FIR quashed. Why should people suffer this kind of fate of being wrongly arrested? Someone gets headlines, someone gets a president's medal or maybe the chief minister's medal for putting somebody inside, an innocent person. I don't believe this. So I think that this, the police need to work out. Even I've seen that they have used a technique of an approver. What's an approver? He is a co-accused. He's a co-accused who comes and makes a confessional statement. And they say, we promise that we will release you after you make the statement against the other people. Honorable Speaker, you remember there's a particular case of Pratima Naik double murder case which took place in Vasco da Gama. In that matter, I was asked by the High Court to appoint appear as amicus curiae, that is a friend of the court, free of cost. I appeared. It was a double murder. She was convicted. Matter was an appeal. I argued the matter. There was an approver. I argued. I never saw the lady, but I got her totally out, totally acquitted, because the entire investigation was flawed. Why I'm saying innocent person suffered inside. Sometimes you allow that approver, may be the most guilty person who should be incarcerated, who should be jailed, but you let that person off. In demand number 6, election, I want to speak about arbitrary deletion of voters from voters' rolls. Just when the election comes, we find that names of people suddenly disappear from the roll. Supreme Court has said that notice has to be issued. And sometimes the reports which are being given online, you don't find anything and suddenly a name is disappeared. Sometimes we find names included at the last minute. Also, we find, Honorable Speaker, electoral roll is being revised. They revise it by 31st of January. Cut-off date is 1st January. And just before the election, when the process starts, another supplementary roll is come out, which is not uploaded on the website. Why should you do this? Huge expenditure made by the Election Commission officials. Some of them keep going to holidays, sort of like they come here on a mission to visit shacks and five-star hotels. I think this needs to be nipped. Demand number 17, which is the police. We have good officers at the lower level. One is Omveer Singh, who's a IGP. We have Akshat Kaushal, whom I have been interacting with, the SP of North Goa, very fine, refined officer, and he handles the matters well. In South Goa, we have Sunita Sawant, whom I have interacted as a public prosecutor for many years. Our Karpe is there, Chodankar, Albuquerque, Rapoz, and Sitakan Naik, Nikhil Palekar. All these people are very fine officers who do their work without any pressure.
तुम्ही सांगला ती केस हांव तशें जाल्यार परत एकदा रिओपन करपा लायता.
Which
आत्ता जे सांगले पळय न्ही, पुलिसांनी सांगले म्हणून तुमचो सुटलो म्हणून तो ताका सांगता आता परत रिओपन करूया.
the Supreme Court time
करूया आनी रिओपन ती इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन परत सुरू करूया.
You can't reinvestigate. It is acquittal.
तेकाच लागून म्हणटा
reinvestigate.
इट इज अ फॉल्ट ऑफ पुलीस म्हणटा, सो आय विल स्टार्ट वन्स अगेन.
No, I'll tell you what's the fault in that case. They got an approver. According to me, that approver was the main accused. That approver made a confession statement. I got that statement or not. Supreme Court, right from 1953 says,
परत आसात पळय न्ही,
काय जायना करू जायना. You can't have a double trial.
चेक करता परत
You
आसा
check it. You should have gone in appeal if you wanted.
वता अपिला वचूंक लायता.
You go that. I have no problem. You will not succeed.
सक्सीड ना सक्सीड ते सुप्रीम कोर्ट पळयतलो.
एक बेस्ट appeal घालपा, there is not this thing. You have to understand one thing. What I'm saying is, this is not the
I
first
know by
case.
profession you are senior advocate now. म्हटलं पण आमकां ऍटलीस्ट आमकां अपील करपाक कितें
ना हांव कितें म्हणटा, this process of making approver, तें बंद करपाक जाय. कित्याक approver is the weakest manner of trying to say a case is solved. You are getting a co-accused to come and say, I confess this. Because what Supreme Court says is, you remove the statement of the approver and find what else you have got. And this is what I used. If you remove his statement and see what else evidence you got, you get no evidence. Then your case goes into a total failure. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Don't bring approvers. Get your police to get independently the circumstances which can nail that accused. You will succeed. You understanding what I'm saying?
I got it.
Yeah. Now, as far as police and drugs, there is always what we hear is of a nexus, of a mafia of the police and the drugs which are involved.
तुम्ही तरी म्हणू नका ते आनी कोणी म्हटल्यार जाता तो बीन म्हणटा ते बरें तुमकां you know the fact actually. How you can say this?
Of
Police and drugs.
that is all
Nexus.
spoken widely.
बाकीचे लोक तुम्ही तरी म्हणू नका
Even as a
म्हणटा.
public prosecutor, I heard these matters. So you know this. There were some police also prosecuted. So, now, Honorable Chief Minister, I want one small this thing, because I'll tell you why. Amche goinche sarkarache or even the government of Goa, even of Goa, dag eiler, I don't like it, very honest. Whether it's your government, our government, I don't care. When the Hyderabad police came here, according to me, it was an affront to our police because they should have asked our police for help. And they should have come and done this. They came and tried to do all these arrests here. And then now they have gone there and blaming us as if it is. Why I say, internationally our name gets called.
हैदराबादचे पुलीस आयला पळय तेची डिटेल इन्व्हेस्टिगेशन करूंक लायला नवीन डीजीपी आयला पळय न्ही ही इज ऑल्सो इन कॉर्डिनेशन विथ दॅट हैदराबाद तेजो डीजी कोण आहा पळय तेच्या कडेन न्ही फाटले फावटी इट इज अ ब्लेम गेम जाका आमी म्हणटा पळय न्ही तो तेंच्यांनी सुरवात केल्ले खंयसरूय जर ड्रग्स मेळ्ळो खंय ना ते गोंयान व्हरपा खातीर म्हण तेजी एक न्यूज करताले इट इज नॉट सो.
Now, आनीक एक सांगता, just look at it. I look at it from in a different angle, beyond what you're thinking. Suppose you want to defame Goa and say Goa is not a safe destination, not a good place to come. एशको काबार जातलें गोंयान न्ही?
ते करपा खातीरच करतात
तेच म्हणटा हांव, हय.
ताका लागूनच आमकां आमी जे उलयता आतां पळयता न्ही आमी ह्यो केसीस क्रॅकडावन करपाच्यो आहा पळय न्ही इट इज एन सामक्यो आमच्या एंटी नार्कोटीक सेल इज वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर दॅट पर्पज.
No, that's why I'm saying, just we have to be vigilant, we should be strong, we should also react immediately by saying nothing doing. This is what I'm requesting. Sometimes, Honorable Speaker, there is a misuse of section 149, 151, that is of the old CRPC, now it's 168, 170. Whenever there is a offense registered or some complaint filed, they immediately book somebody under 151 and put him, release him on bail. But Supreme Court has deprecated such practice of incarcerating or even locking up one person for a day, less than 24 hours. There is one demand which I have got is of a payment of remuneration to the police and the IRB staff. I'll just pass this, Honorable Speaker. No, check it. There is a circular of the Election Commission of India which directs payment of remuneration and TADA to personnel employed for election-related duties. I have come to know that staff of police and IRB also are not being paid this, sometimes for 1 and 2 years. And they have gone and done the duty, they are already going for a second election duty, sometimes very often out of state, and those people go at their own cost, they come back and they are not being paid. I demand that they be paid immediately as soon as they come back, maybe within 30 days, and then this will solve their issues. Police buses, the police buses I think need to be replaced. I am told that this morning when police came in the buses themselves were leaking. It will be shameful to see policemen using umbrellas inside the buses. Either you repair them or you replace them. Non-promotion of police. There is one batch which is called the Bombay batch. For 23 years, they have been in service at that level of police constable, ASI, and head constable. They are not being promoted, and I don't know for what reason. If you promote them, because for so many years they're stagnating, I think they can be given this promotional chance which allows other PCs after us to go up. insufficient vehicles, more vehicles should be given to them, and renovation of our police outposts. Because our police outpost in Gawar, in Aldona, does not even have a proper toilet, no resting room, and it's quite in bad condition. So I believe that this government should look into it. As far as the jails, demand number 18, there have been allegations, and some of my own clients have told me that inside the jail they provide drugs and they also provide mobile phones. So I think this is very serious, and I think raids should be conducted periodically and surprisedly. There are scuffles at the jails which have taken place, which have hit headlines, and how these people get weapons and how they are in a position to assault other prisoners or co-prisoners needs to be investigated. As far as demand number 21 is concerned, public works, we see that the entire state of Goa, we see the sad state of roads which are crumbling. First, the national highway isn't built, takes over paddy fields, and we have flooding of paddy fields, which we can see happening in Bastora, in Giri, and other places across Goa. It was even flooding in Nuve earlier. No proper environment clearances were taken because they made 4 packages. Because, you know, Honorable Speaker, if it is 100 kilometers on crossing 2 states, you need national clearance. But to avoid it, what they did, a trick they have done, they split the package of the work in 4 parts. So splitting it, nothing was crossing 100 kilometers. In this way, they avoided EC clearances. And this is where now we are all suffering this. That's why I feel, now look at the alignments. The alignments are not proper. Vehicles are going off the roads at the turns. No proper even cutting of the hills. They've just cut it so badly that now we're having landslides. There's no stepping of the cutting of the hills. In Mercedes, Bamboli, Honorable Speaker, you might have noticed while going to Goa Medical College, there are cracks on the flyover. There are cracks also here near the Green Park flyover, and they're putting tar. Now, what is the solution they have found? They started pouring a carpet of tar over the entire area. My fear is you're hiding it. What happens if the crack continues to develop below? One day suddenly it will fall, like how today we have seen Kali Bridge has fallen in Karwar. So I don't want these things to happen, and we need to have accountability for these things. It's not just on the national highway, but even that road in Bisholi, which is the bypass, apparently mud fell down and vehicles were blocked. Another thing I mentioned was about service roads. I think, Honorable Speaker, you might have seen yourself that service roads in the heavy rains were completely flooded. People could not drive on them, vehicles were getting stuck, and people themselves are getting, they had to wade through very high levels of water. Yes, I require another 10 minutes. If lands in boring could be acquired under using the NHAI Act, then I feel that these service roads, because service roads are of different sizes, some are narrow, which can allow only a single lane. Some have got double width, but not sufficient for 2-way carriage. So it becomes dangerous for incoming or outgoing traffic. So if they can use NHAI Act for purpose of acquisition, especially for these areas, I'm not saying make big things, but at least for this, they can have a uniform width by using that. Underground cabling has destroyed a lot of our constituencies across Goa, and you see even in Mapsa it has been destroyed. Our Aldona constituency has suffered, and I'm told that now the Electricity Department has handed over to the PWD for doing the works. I demand that this work should be done, especially in Lankhade, Pant, Noikazon and Golzue, in Korzue of ours. They have dug the road in the middle, and now it's so difficult. You can't go left, you can't go right. You have to fall somehow in the middle because the roads are narrow. It's not that it's a very huge road. Sinking roads. We have already spoken about sinking roads. The roads, sides of which are sinking. And I think we have one in Pomburpa and Karana Kalvi Road which needs to be done up. Drinking water is a problem which is there. We have turbid water which comes because of the monsoon, but it can't be permanently there. I can understand onset of monsoon, so you have the turbidity coming in. Our Korzue Bridge also, there was painting work being done when the railings were rusting. I had to tell the contractor, you stop the work, you replace these. So I had to move a note to make sure that they're replacing the railings, otherwise painting over it and then replacing is just a waste of public money. There is one thing which I want to point out is that in Kanakona, there has been incidents of absolutely unpotable water not fit for drinking which has been put there. I'll just pass this. Very much. Honorable Speaker, our Congressman Janardar Bandari had raised an issue there that water, drinking water was not good. And finally what happened was, they had to file a complaint with the police. The police took them and asked the health department to conduct verification. Samples were taken. And I'll just pass this, just pass one up there. Just pass this. This RTI thing. Just pass to the Honorable Speaker one. It says there, please see page 4 of this compilation, page 4. And this is from DHS, remarks down. The sample of water analyzed does not conform to the standards prescribed for drinking water. The water therefore cannot be recommended for human consumption as such. Please look again at page 5. And this is at cement tank at Parve, Betul, Agonda, Kanakana. Down, the sample of water analyzed found contained by coliform organisms. The water therefore cannot be recommended for human consumption as such. So I've given all these, I'm not going to read all of them, but...
Yes, sir. Guillotine आटांगा परत मैं म्हाका answer करपाकूच time मेळटलो तुम्ही जर
Just I said I finished 10 minutes.
आता दोग जाणांनी मेळून
10 मिनिटांनी cover करता.
सर तुम्ही opposition
Honorable member, you've already used 20 minutes.
I'll finish. Sir.
Don't
interrupt.
40 minutes required for me.
I think ruling is going to speak so much, I don't know.
Anyhow,
I'll finish. I'm being precise. I'm trying to be as fast as possible. Zata hum complete kota. See, these are important matters. I'm not attacking. I'm trying to give you suggestions what you can do for improvement, nothing more.
You're always giving suggestions.
It's always good. If you don't like it, I will attack in the other ways. As far as vigilance is, then I want to point out, even the Goan in this thing has brought out a report. This is the report which Goan has brought, showing that the water is contaminated, polluted, and can't be drunk. It is still being provided for the residents, and I think that we have all these problems coming up. One request I have is that Honorable Chief Minister may kindly see. I want to thank you for that Pede flyover which you are doing for me, and Nitin Gadkari for having consented to do that. It was long overdue this, and that's why I need to give credit when it's due, which I'm giving. But only one request, traffic lights. Until that meantime, the traffic lights to be installed, because otherwise we may have some fatal accidents as a stopgap measure until that work commences. MLA LED scheme works. We have got approvals, work tenders have gone, but I don't see any work which is yet commenced. As far as vigilance is concerned, demand number 22, there is a very dragging of cases against politicians. FIRs are filed, and then so many years the cases are not being charge-sheeted. My question is, why are they not being kept like this? Either they should be free or they should be hanged, whichever way, but make sure that they get disposed fast. There's one thing I want to make clear, that sometimes it may be said, oh, our government is very clean because there is no FIR against any minister or against officers. Let me make it clear. There was a Supreme Court judgment in General Commanding Officer which was deciding questions relating to Jammu Kashmir, matters whether officers there posted there could be tried or not, could not be tried. They said even launching of an offense could not be done under the Army Act. That judgment was misconstrued in Anil Kumar, and they said, Anil Kumar judgment said that you cannot even go to the court under 156(3) to register an FIR or direct registration of an FIR. The correctness of this judgment now has gone before a larger bench in Manju Sharma, and it's awaiting this thing. I believe that that judgment of Anil Kumar will be set aside. And the last demand I'm speaking on is on home. Gaming Commissioner, Honorable Speaker, is not yet appointed. SIT, I think SIT needs to be a little more transparent because there are cases which they have received, they are not registered. Just give me 2 minutes and I will just explain one small thing. Honorable Speaker, in the case of Asagaon, I'll just pass this.
You continue, Honorable Member.
Honorable Speaker, in Asegaon Komunidad, an area of 2,22,222 was grabbed by such foul means. I'm just passed those papers which shows that there is some paper or documentation showing that in 1949, apparently 1949, the grant was given to the person of 2,22,000. Then after that, it's in Portuguese and in English. They show everything having been done, and suddenly a document comes showing that in 1927, he had paid the four before he was granted. That page of 1927, I will show you, is coming at page 12. Please look at page 12. 1927, it's a very big fraud. Can you see that date of order 6/12/1927 at page 12? And this, what happened is, the area of the land was shown as 2,222 square meters belonging to Komunidad of Asegaon. These people filed an application for mutation saying that they were the owners of the land. And after no notice went to the Komunidad, they made the mutation behind the back of the Komunidad. And the worst part of it was, after they did the mutation, they go and apply for rectification of the survey area. And please look at number 14, paragraph 14, page 14. What they do is, what does this ISLR officer do? He makes Mamladar a party, not even the Komunidad the party. And he increases this area of 2,222 to 2,22,222. Please understand this, what I'm saying is a total fraud. And they used a sale deed, which I have annexed there, which is no sale deed in the eyes of law. 1950, 51 sale deeds are all under scrutiny. If you look at it by a naked eye, you'll come to know that this is not a sale deed, because sale deed must have the signatures, sale deed must have the stamps, but the sale deed is here. Please look at that sale deed, which is at page, just set the page, 8 and 9. 7, it's 8 and 9, yeah. And the Portuguese version is a 7 and 8. Please look at 8.
Anyhow,
Nothing.
I'll ask to do the investigation.
Please, I will get. Because I'll tell why, Honorable Speaker. Complaint was filed with SIT. They did not even register the offense. I'm obliged. As far as home guards, they also have not been given election money. We see the home guards standing on the roads. They're always with a smile. They're wishing. They're always doing their work. Even sometimes they don't know. Why? Thank I regularize korpache. Why? And last is the fire and emergency. I compliment all these fire service officers led by Nitin Raikar. In times of need, in times of real difficult times, in weather, very high winds, high rain, they are working day and night, and they help us. And I think, Honorable Speaker, Chief Minister should give them a better equipment, which so they can have some little modern equipment which they can use. Please ensure there are plans for markets, fireplace and market. In scrap yards, you know, the scrap yard, there is no control. And in industries, especially flammable industries. So this is what I wish to make statement, and I request Honorable Chief Minister to kindly take note and issue the directions so that at least the fire department can be well equipped and rewarded. Even for this, they have this hazardous, what they call this fire safety. When they carry out, I'll just tell you the correct word. Just one word I'll tell you, and then I'll close. Risk allowance. For them, they should be given risk allowance. I'm obliged.
Speaker, sir, I'm here to speak on the demands and to support the demands listed for the day. First of all, I would like to speak on demand number 23, home. आताच आमच्या काल्लुसान Honorable MLA सारखे explain केले हा, Honorable Speaker, and our Komunidad came and personally met the CM also. I would request the Honorable CM to please look into this 2 lakhs Komunidad property. ओहीच कोणे तरी सेल डीड केली, and if it is linked to archives also. आर्काइव्साचे पेपर काढून कोणे तरी ते मिसप्लेस हे करून काढलेले हा, तेही ऑनरेबल सीएमान सारखे इथून पोहोचे. रिगार्डिंग demand number 6, election office. I would only request the Honorable CM to see the site aha ji ज्या सायटीन आमी वोटरांक एनलिस्ट करतात ती सायट केन्ना ओपनूच जायना जेन्ना ओपन जाता ते आमकां आमदारांक पूण सांगचें बाबा ह्या दिसा फ्रॉम दीस पिरियड टू दीस पिरियड सो दॅट वी कॅन इन्फॉर्म all our ward members, we come into this assembly because of the votes. So Jenna, the site is never opening, but the dates of when the site opens, at least let us know. And instruct the BLOs, you know, meantime, BLO सांगले म्हणटू बाबा माझे इलेक्शन कार्ड करपाक जाय ते म्हणटा सायट ओपन जाले म्हणटकूच यो let each and every BLO be instructed to take the hard copies and at least keep it with them of the documents submitted and then call that person to upload during those days or at least take the name and mobile number of the person whose name has to be, you know, enrolled for a new election card or for correction something. Nothing happens and then last minute when the election comes everybody is running here and there. And another big good move the Honorable Minister can do, the Chief Minister, third year students are graduate students. I mean at that time when they are doing at their third year, at that time they are around 18. So if some, you know, something can be done over there only for them to get their election cards, some movement or something can be done. It will be very nice. Regarding demand number 17, police. आतांच सगळ्यांनी उलयल्ले हा कहे ह्या हैदराबादचे पुलीस हांगा येतात and they are taking you know law into their hands. I mean my constituency it has happened so many times the Hyderabad police has come and आमच्या लोकांक हे चुकलून घेऊन गेल्ले हा आमचे पुलीस कित्याक खातर. So our Honorable Chief Minister has to look into it that they should confide into your department and your department should take all the action. They cannot come directly and you know just amche lokang uklun orpache. That shows our police is not working properly. It gives that sense. So Honorable Chief Minister, please tell your DGP or whoever is in charge to see that they don't come directly and interfere into our affairs over here. Regarding demand number, okay, regarding night patrolling in my constituency, I request करता की आमच्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन खूब फावटी कितले चोऱ्यो जाल्ल्यो आहा तेका लागून नायट पेट्रोलिंग चालू उरचें आनी नायट पेट्रोलिंग जे सुवातेर ते ब्लॅक स्पॉट्स आहा हे भुरगे बसोन आसतात खंय खंय कोणशांनी सोरो पितात एन देन कितें सो थंयसर वयचें आनी वयता तेन्ना व्हडली गाडी घेवन लायट पेटयत वचपाचें न्हू यू शूड गो ऑन अ बायक एन यू नो इन अ सिवील ड्रेस जाल्यार ते गाडयो घेवन वयता म्हणल्यार हे पोवतात नाच जातात थंयसरले. आनी रिगार्डिंग द ट्रॅफिक पुलीस स्पीकर सर प्लीज अंडरस्टँड आर ट्युरिस्ट कम हियर टू हॅव अ गूड टायम आमचेच कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आनी Kalangut constituencies. From the time they reach from Sikeri to my constituency, I think this traffic police, they stop the tourists so many times. I have seen in my own eyes. So it doesn't give a tourist who comes to our state should go with good memories and not be stopped at every nook and corner. तुम्ही हुंय तरी तांकां डिस्टन्स प्रिस्क्रायब करपाचें ह्या इतल्या किलोमिटरांनी बाबा उबे राव म्हणून. आय विल टेल यू नियर आमचे क्रेझी क्रॅब बागान एक धाकटुलो ब्रिज हा ब्रिजाच्या ह्या वाटेन कालांगूट आनी ह्या वाटेन आमचो एरिया लागता. ह्या वाटेन कालांगूटचे ट्रॅफिक पुलीस आनी ब्रिजाच्या ह्या वाटेन आमचे ट्रॅफिक पुलीस. इट इज सो सॅड टू सी दॅट. सो प्लीज प्रिस्क्रायब the distance, how far they have to wait at not at every nook and corner and not go on chalaning these tourists and you know it doesn't really look nice. And every assembly I've been telling this. It is not good for tourism in the future. Regarding fire and emergency services. Amcho Bab Raikar is really doing a good job. Service to mankind, I can say, not just a job, you know. But tanka ek expert tree cutter diucho तेंच्या एम्पॅनल करचे व्हडलीं झाडां पडलीं म्हणटकूच ते म्हणटात फोन मारल्यार येतात पूण मॅडम आमचे कडेन कातरपाक लेबर ना काय कितें ना आनी मागीर थंयसर सोडून चल्ले आनी मागीर आमकां गांवचे ते हे ट्री कटर सोदून हाडूंक पडटा रियली इन एवरी कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी एटलिस्ट तालुका वायज तांकां एक्सपर्ट ट्री कटर तांकां दिवचे एंड सेकंडली 4x4 ऑल व्हील ड्रायव्ह मिनी फायर ट्रक आमच्या कोस्टल कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीनी आमच्या शिवोली कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन अंजुना वागातोर एरिया जे सुवातेर शेकां आहा तांकां केन्नाय उजो लागले जाल्यार वी नीड सच व्हेहिकल बिकॉज हे व्हडलो फायर ब्रिगेड म्हापसा साकून हांगा पावता म्हणल्यार ह्या शेकांचो जालो उजो सो प्लीज लूक इन टू दॅट रिगार्डींग public works, roads. I would really like to thank our Honorable CM. आमचे सगळे रस्ते पास करून घेतलेले आहा and the jet patcher is really a blessing for us during non-raining days. पावस ना तेन्ना जितले potholes नाले hot day आसता थंयसर तो jet patcher येता आनी भरता. But what about the potholes during rainy days? You know, it doesn't help. It just doesn't help. So if you can do something, have some machinery to fill the potholes during rainy days, it will be really good. Again, I would request the Honorable CM, underground cabling galta tenna at least on the main roads, at least on the MDR roads, if not in the internal roads, yet trenches korche, you know, don't dig the roads, trenches, gutter system where you can put these underground cables in one trench and have that trench for that work only. I mean, so that the fault also can be, you know, seen and detected. आणि वॉटर पायपलायन हाय ती दुसऱ्या वाटेन ट्रेंच करून घालची इट विल बी मच इजियर दीस इज लॉंग टर्म प्लॅनिंग एटलीस्ट ऑन द MDR रोड्स ऑन मेन रोड्स हायवेज एंड रिइन्स्टेटमेंट फायल ह्यो ज्यो आसता वेन द अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग ऑफ द रोड हॅपन्स ओ पायपलायन घालता तेन्ना ते रिइन्स्टेटमेंट फायल मातशे वेग्याच्या वेग्यान पास करून ते रस्ते हॉटमिक्स करचे म्हणून मागणी आता ती आनी गटी शक्ती पोर्टल म्हणून आनी कितें येयला ऑल माय फायल्स हॅव कम बॅक ओवर देर प्लीज सी दॅट दोज फायल्स आर अपलोडेड ऑन दॅट पोर्टल व्हेरी सून आनी ते जेलान साकून येवचे सगळे फायली परत्यो गेल्या सर आय डोंट नो वाय रिगार्डींग वॉटर I really wish to thank my Honorable CM for passing my 5.6 MLD water treatment plant costing 10 crore 70 lakhs in Asagaon. Pun कितें आहा आमकां required MLD is 14 MLD and now we are getting 8.6 something. So 6 MLD is short right now. वो आमचो water treatment plant येता म्हणल्यार आनी 6 म्हयने आहा I really don't know how long that will take. But till now, right now, we are falling 6 MLD short. And तुमचो बाब संतोष आपणे सी बरें काम करता. But the thing is, every day I have to call the JE. हांव आख्खे 17 days I didn't speak. Only just give me some time. You know, didn't speak much. Yes, give me 2 minutes more. उदकाचे व्हडलो प्रश्न जाल्लो हा आमच्या लोकांक पयऱ्यान ऑल्टरनेट डे उदक येता आनी तो पयरो ना जाल्यार म्हणटकूच पयऱ्याचो देन नेक्स्ट ऑल्टरनेट गोज ऑन एंड ऑन सो स्पीकर सर आमकां म्हाजे फकत एक मागणी तो कारासवाडो वाल्व आहा तो म्हापशेचो कोण तरी येई थंयसर सोडटा आमचो येई थंयसर आसूंक जाय आमचो डिविजनाचो शिवोलचो येई थंयसर आसूंक जाय आय थिंक सम water is not being left properly over there for Sholi because every second they have to call the supervisor, the AE, JE and it is really water is the basic need of a person. आणि क्लीन आमचे टांक्यो हा कितल्योच टांक्यो हा I don't know when was the last it was cleaned. So bring some machinery
हे फावटी क्लीन करतना आपयता.
Yes, bring some machinery at least twice a year to clean the tanks. आणि आमचे जितले बिडाचे आणि शिमिटाचे पायपलायन्यो हा त्यो रिप्लेस करच्यो म्हणून मागणे आमचे विथ PVC और DI पायपलायन. आणि आमच्या सुपरवायझरांक कडेन लेबर ना सर. ते लेबर मातशें दिवचे तांकां ते सोसायटीचे कसले तरी करून तांकां दे डोंट हॅव लेबर्स. आतां आमकां सब डिविजनाक कलांगूट आनी शिवोली म्हणून तांकां म्हयन्याक खूंय 9,000 मेवता. एक हे करपाक कितें तें आमचें दोनूय सब डिविजन फॉर स्पेअर पार्ट्स तांकां पयशेच पावना स्पेशली वेन देर आर ब्रेकडावन्स. सो म्हाका दिसता एक कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक 9,000 पर मंथ जावंक जाय. दोन कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीक मेळोन ते 9,000 म्हयन्याक कांयच पावना सर. आनी तो वाल्व ऑपरेटर जो आहा तो सकाळीं फुडें येवन तो वाल्व ओपन करता. He has to report to JE and see, tell the JE whether water has reached when he is leaving the water, the tail end. हें रिपोर्ट जायना आमचे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन जाल्यार रिपोर्टिंग जायना. कितलेच फावटी JEक फोन मारलो म्हणटच तेजे उपरांत तो वाल्व ऑपरेटराक कॉल करता. आनी ही जी व्हडली बिल्डिंगां येता स्पीकर सर तांकां व्हडले सांप बांदतात आनी आख्खें उदक तांकां वॉट हॅपन्स देन. आनी तेणी मोटर घातलेले आहा एन्ड दे साक दॅट ऑल दॅट वॉटर. सो ह्या व्हडल्या बिल्डिंगांनी जी मोटर घातल्या तांकां सरप्रायज विजीट करून तेंचे ते मोटर काडून घेवचे. आनी आसनोरा आमचे वॉटर ट्रिटमेंट प्लांट आहा थंयसर फिल्ट्रेशन सारकें जायना. तांकां फिल्ट्रेशन पंप व्हडले घेवन घालचे स्टँड बाय पूण दवरचे नाजाल्यार आमकां सगळे दोस उदक येता स्पीकर सर. And regarding finance, I would like to really thank our honorable CM. आमकां टायमाच्या टायमाक आमकां CM relief fund दिता and thank you, Speaker sir.
The House is adjourned till 4:30.